Hello everyone. We are going to present our startup, our solution for transport freight in Rotterdam. TruckUp.nl. How many of you have been in a traffic jam? And you know what? All this traffic jam is created, most of them, by trucks. And the worst of them is that all those trucks are traveling back to the destination, or perhaps in the client routes, with an empty space between 50 and 30%. This is a big problem because truck companies, they're overcost, they spend too much money, over pollution, lose of time and money. So, in the market at the moment, it is a big problem because there is not a platform where to connect shippers and carriers to connect each other's needs. It's Federico, I'm Julian, and together with Federico for the last 6 months, we have created a digital platform called TruckUp.nl to help to connect shippers and carriers and share each other's needs. This is a weird situation we have both in the same page. Because companies, senders, they want to deliver in Europe will have an easy access. They will pay a right fee for the transportation cost, and transport company will not travel anymore with empty spaces. Better optimization of routes, space, save costs, and efficient delivery process. This action it is to foment a sharing economy between transport companies and senders. Without